Ho, 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 ho. What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors, some of the most loved ones and most well-known on YouTube. So that's what you're going to be seeing in today's video with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the channel and make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from the channel. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Joseph Cipriano.
That's life-changing. Wow. I feel it don't hurt.
We got quite a bit going on today. Now, this hip right here is going out to this side. That shoulder up here is going out that way. Now this, how you said, what was it? The December 23rd?
Yeah. That I had the injury that I fell completely on my ass in the rock. Like everybody was like, "Are you okay?" I was like, "No, I'm not okay. I know I have. The problem is coming after this. It's done. I've been like this since then."
All right, hold on. I'm gonna go into the corner. I want you to show. I want you to walk, just so.
I walk sideways too.
You know, you feel it too, don't you?
I feel it because the discomfort. Because if I put pressure, I'm gonna put pressure, and I'm gonna feel it all the way down here.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, you can tell. Like you're on an angle.
Mm-hmm. Completely.
Jeez. How is like? Can you move?
Yeah, I can move.
What about going forward?
Like that's the part, and I have to push these knees out.
To get,
If
alright, stay like that.
that's the farthest I'm going down without any pain or without any.
Jeez, okay. Go face down on the table for me. Yeah, see it? So when you're laying down, okay, left leg is pulling a little bit short. Yeah, just a little bit there. I'd say about a ½ inch short on that left side. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
That feels so good.
Good. Yeah, let's get some pressure off the nerves in here. Loosen everything up and then really hit that low back hard. There it was. Man, from this way, your left shoulder, whew, that entire left shoulder, everything is like slanting that way.
This way, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. I feel my body though, yeah.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Bring that arm up, bring the other arm up here. Go all the way. Yeah. Any pain?
No.
Good. Same thing with the left side. Any pain?
No pain.
No
A
pain.
little bit, not much, yeah. I want to say 1 to 10, maybe a 3.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah. from New York doing now?
Huh?
How's the guy from New York doing now? They want him so crooked. I seen his video, man. That was crazy.
No, he's doing a ton better, actually. Yeah. So I'm gonna show this again. Your leg length
Went normal?
went normal.
Oh, that's.
Went normal again.
I was like, I know a doctor. I did his house. What's his name? What's his name? And I started looking up. I'm like, so came to the right place.
Shoulder, dude, I'm not gonna lie, you're looking a lot better.
I feel a lot better.
Alright, let me. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Bring that arm up. Deep breath in and out. I want to decompress the spine, take pressure off.
There we go.
Yep, all nerve roots going down.
Oh, whoa, that feels amazing. Whoa, bro. I felt it all the way to my butt. What? You guys need to come see him. Oh, man, this feels great.
Good. Alright, slide down one more time.
Whoa.
For you, and obviously with having that accident, we're going round 2.
That's cool. You can go 10 times if you want. That feels so good. It don't hurt.
That don't hurt?
And I couldn't do this. What? Whoa, dude, that's a lot of pressure you took off of it.
Look at that.
Right there, still feels like, but I feel a lot more straight. I'm standing a lot more straight.
Staying a lot more straight.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
And then flip. Rest.
It's teeth right here, but I guess probably normal.
Stiff just in, in that lower.
Mm-hmm.
There's a CBD and menthol.
Okay, I have some in the house too.
Oh, do you? Okay, good. Like, your shoulders are straight. Why don't you even turn around? Jeez.
Big difference, huh?
Huge difference.
Up next, we have Dr. Joseph Cipriano.
Up compared to the left. Honestly, not bad at all with the leg length. Maybe a millimeter short on the left, but that's really close. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with this, okay?
That's different.
That is okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to start right up top here.
Ooh.
There we go. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's see. Alright, one more time. Deep breath in and out. Bring the other arm up here. Okay. You keep your arms. Yeah, just like that.
Ow!
And rest. Alright, I'm going to stabilize on the sacrum. I want you to raise your right leg up for me. Any pain with that?
It just feels, not pain, but it feels it's hard to put it up.
Okay, relax that side. Compare it to your left side.
That was much easier.
Much easier? Okay. Okay, and then cross your right foot over your left foot. Okay. Raise that leg up again. How did that feel?
That feels much better.
And then yeah, just have this leg nice and relaxed. It's good. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, come forward a little bit. Perfect. Bring one arm up. Bring the other arm up. Alright, take a deep breath in and out. And then rest. Go down just a little bit. Good. And then yeah, let your arms relax. And you're gonna
Just relax my legs.
yeah, yep.
Oh! Woo!
And rest. What did you feel?
A ton of release. Woo. I feel like that's what I've been missing, like all right here.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.